Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change zoom lever speed on Sony ZV-E10 II camera. To do that, we're gonna have to switch on the camera and make sure that the lens is properly attached to it. Then press menu button on your camera to open settings and press left D-pad key several times to go to the sidebar. Here we want to scroll down to shooting tab, open it, and then scroll down to the 9th option, which is located on the second page, which is zoom. And here, first of all, we can select the zoom range. So we can use digital zoom, clear image zoom, or optical zoom. And after that, once you selected one of these options, go to zoom lever speed. And here you can increase or decrease zoom speed by changing the value on this list. And we can also change the zoom speed. So the first option is the zoom speed for the standby mode, and the second one is the zoom speed for the active recording. And we can change both of these values in the very same way. We can also set a custom key for zoom speed, both for standby and recording modes in the very much same way. And we also can adjust the remote zoom speed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.